Sa tingin mo, personal na opinion lang, Abby, sino mas masarap magluto, babae o lalaki? Galingan mo!
Bakit yung galing?
Kasi gusto ko tama yung sagot niya.
Ah.
Kasi fan niya.
Oo.
Uy,
Yeah.
Pag mali, magtatampo ka.
gagalo ka,
Ako, I grew up eating my mother's cooking.
Mm.
So, I associated it with yung cooking in general and good food. I associated it with yung pagluto in like a calm, therapeutic, very passionate cooking. Kasi yun yung nakikita ko growing up. My role model was my mother. Pero na-realize ko nga din, the industry is predominantly male. And I think it's because siguro nung unang panahon, kasi, I mean, the culinary history goes back way back. I think yun yung mga time na hindi pa masyadong pinapayagan ang mga kababaihan sa professional setting, like sa kusina. And cooking kasi in like restaurants, talagang bigating trabaho siya eh. It's also one of the things that affected my decision kung mag-work ba ako sa restaurant. Kasi iba yung luto sa bahay na isang patatas lang babalatan mo. Pero sa restaurant, magbubuhat ka ng kilo-kilong mga bigas,
Diyos ko.
patatas.
Bigas
Talagang,
pa lang.
ano siya, labor intensive talaga siya.
It's not for the old. Sabi nga ni Anthony Bourdain, he stopped cooking at the age of 35 kasi he can't hack it
Yeah,
anymore.
it's very,
Standing
very
for 8 to
physical.
10 hours
Yeah.
sa line.
Yeah. So feeling ko na associate yung kitchen work with male.